Okay, this is the Luiton. I think it's Luiton, whatever. LT-298 Chinese CCC, cheap Chinese crap. It looks a lot like, oh my god, what do you know? It's a Uniden 520 or 510 or 500. Yeah. But this had a little heatsink on the back. It also has this interesting warning. Voltage 12 to 24 volts DC. And then on the back it says 13.8 volts DC. So we're going to run it on 13.8 volts DC. Right now it's hooked up to a dummy load. Whoops. And we're using a, this guy is the receiver. Hello. Hello, 1 2 1 2, radio check. Radio check, radio check, check, radio check. Hello, audio. Oh, there's too much feedback, hold on. Radio check. Hello. Alright, this is the the 30 watt scale. So it's keying at about 5.5 watts. Hello. Hello. Audio. Audio. So peaking at maybe 11. There we go. I'm so used to this being the channel knob, not the volume knob. The up-down buttons are also reversed from where you think they would be. Usually the down is down here and up is here, so now this AM switch appears to do nothing. I have a feeling it actually does do something. Apparently to change bands, you put the radio on the channel 9 switch, and then you turn it on. And that puts me on channel 9. It doesn't actually change bands, so if I maybe hold a button, turn it, nope, I gotta hold this button, turn it on. Hold 2 buttons, turn it on. See, it shows you for a second 1, which I believe is the CPU showing us that we're on band 1. See that? 1. So I think this is locked, but I also believe this is the exact same mic that comes with the CRE8900. Automatic squelch function. Up-down buttons. Woohoo! Fancy shit. That's a 6-pin mic. Not too surprising considering it's got the buttons on there for the up-down channel and the automatic squelch. Hello, Breaker 19. Hello, hello, radio check, please. Over. There's too much impulse noise.
Radio check, 1 2 1 2. Radio check, radio check. Radio check, 1 2 1 2.
Back the RF gain down.
Radio check, 1 2 3 4. Radio check, 1 2 3 4. Radio check. Radio check, 1 2 3 4. Radio check, 1 2 3 4. This is with the RF gain backed down considerably.
That's with the Uniden handheld. At low power. So, just for comparison's sake, and I haven't opened this thing up. I just got this. Here's the box. So we're gonna plug in an old Uniden 520XL.